Hello all, I am Sreevalli. I live here with my husband and my son. We got this new apartment and got our interiors done from Livspace, which was a very nice experience for us. And I love this apartment. It's very nicely done and it's a very good place. My favorite room in this home is my kitchen. The colors which were chosen were very nice, very soothing to the mind when I work around in my kitchen. So everything is in its place and it's making my work in the kitchen very easier. Even my friends, when they saw my home, they said it's very nice. How did you do it? With whom did you do it? How did this come this way? When the design was finalized and it went into production, I got to meet the project manager who will be working on the site. So it was a nice meeting with him. He started off the work immediately and all the timelines were met. We never had to complain about anything. One or two obstacles or problems, but immediately they were rectified and the communication was very clear. I would recommend the Livspace to everyone whom I know because working with them is easier. They don't complicate things much. Over and all, I thank Livspace very much for giving us this very good experience. It was really nice working with all the design team and the project management team. Thank you so much.